y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So I know that I don't have a lot of makeup on my face right now, but we are going to be talking about these guys right here. So if you want to hear the tea on the new ANASTASIA Dip Brow Gel, then just keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna apologize in advance. My voice is kind of weird. I kind of feel like my voice is probably gonna go away. Allergies are kicking my butt right now, so my voice sounds a little bit weird or if it cracks. I do apologize. My voice, I can like feel it like just like giving out. But anyways, I got my box from Sephora today and I've been waiting for this product to come. And what I'm talking about is the new Dip Brow Gel by ANASTASIA. So I was really excited to see that they came out with a product like this, and I'm gonna go ahead and demo it out for you guys, give you guys kind of my first impressions, let you know if it's worth your money or not. So I got in medium brown. So pretty much all my ANASTASIA products are all in medium brown. So I figured it'd probably be like the same, you know, shade or whatever. I don't think it's gonna be anything different. So I did get it in medium brown, and just to kind of give you some reference off of the Sephora app. So this product is $18. It is a highly pigmented brow gel with long-lasting waterproof formula for creating fuller looking defined brows, like the Dip Brow Pomade in a gel form, which, like I said, which I think a lot of us have been waiting for this type of product. It's free of parabens, and of course it's cruelty free. This waterproof formula lasts up to 12 hours, so if you're going to the pool for a first date, girl, your eyebrows are gonna stay on. This unique applicator allows color to be applied directly onto brows as well as the skin. For a natural looking finish, it is available in 11 shades that match the ANASTASIA Dip Brow Pomade assortment. And then it just says how to use. You just dip the brow in, fill from front of the brow towards the arch, brush in the direction as natural hair growth for fuller coverage, brush the gel through the brows a second time to create hair-like strokes. To fill in sparseness, use the tip of the brush to apply the formula directly to the skin, then blend the product through the brow. Alrighty, so so far it's having pretty much really good reviews. It has about, let's see, it says 40 reviews, but it says 25. But it says 4.6 out of 5 stars, so 90% would recommend this product. So I will let you know if I recommend this product to you guys. So this is what the actual product looks like. And then this is what the wand looks like on the product. It's actually a pretty good, decent size applicator. I think that this will be really easy to just kind of like go really quickly into thoroughly through your brows. It looks like the consistency looks kind of liquidy, just kind of looking by what's in the bottle. All right, let's go ahead and just put this under our brows. I'm actually a little scared, but if you guys can tell, like, I mean, I have brows, but like my brows are like really thin and kind of sparsy, so they're not like the fullest brows. So my only concern is that it's going to look like caked on, and that's the one thing I kind of stopped using the pomade because it just looked too like slicked onto my skin, and it just looked like it was like a Sharpie that was on my skin, and I was just like, I don't like it. So I really just stick to the brow definer or like the brow powder, just kind of just give it more if I want it more of a like really like bold eyebrow. But that's kind of why I kind of stayed away from the actual pomade. So this will be really interesting if I do end up liking this product. Now my only concern is that I feel like this product will get really thick very fast. And I might actually have to go in with like a spoolie to maybe kind of blend it out. I'm not sure if I'm liking this, guys. Now with the spoolie, it does kind of blend it out. And most of the time I do have to end up doing this using a spoolie to blend it out. I can't just put it on my skin and then just call it a day. I do have to kind of blend it out. I'm gonna actually see if I can get some of this excess off. Oops, I think I put too much. Oh no, I got it on my hair, no. Oh, crap, shoot. Okay, we're just gonna pretend that didn't happen. Like I said, I feel like for me, like I don't think this is gonna give me like a full brow. because I really do feel like if I go too heavy on it, it's gonna look like caked on. Alrighty guys, so this is what the brow that I have so far. I think I could probably go in with the brow definer and add in a little bit here. Like I said earlier, I don't think this is a product that someone who has very sparse eyebrows like I do, you're gonna get a very, you know, nice filled in brow. Like I said, I don't know, it's just I feel like this product is a little bit too watery, so I feel like it just kind of like moves around too much. I think at first when you initially put it on, it just kind of looks like I'm still not sure too quite about it. Like I said, I might have to actually go in with the brow definer and kind of maybe fill in some sparse areas, because even though it says that you can use the tip of it to fill in, but honestly, like, I think at this point I wouldn't want to add any more product. I think I'd rather just go in with like the brow definer or the brow pencil, or maybe even a little bit of powder, but I don't think I would go in personally anymore with the product, because like I said, I'd be really afraid with this product to get too caked on to my skin. Then it's saying for it to like look like more like an effortless brow. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eyebrow off camera and I'll be right back. So brows are all set. I'm gonna kind of give you guys my final thoughts on this product. Honestly, I'll be honest, for me personally, I don't think this product is gonna really work for me. I think this is a really great product that they did come out with. I think just for my eyebrows being really sparsy, I think it's just more of a hassle to like blend, and like, you know, when I wanted to do it quick and easy and not have to really give a lot of effort into it. So for me personally, I'm not really liking it. I will give it a couple more tries and kind of see if I can work with it. But I think the formula for me, I think it's a little bit too wet and too slippery, if that makes sense. If anyone gets their hands on this and if you guys understand what I'm talking about, it just has a really wet consistency, and with like the actual pomade, I think it's like more creamy, and you know, you just like a little goes a long ways, and I just feel like it's just a little bit too wet. No pun intended. I still had to go back in with the brow definer to kind of fill in more of the actual sparse areas, and then I had to, of course, I always set my brows, so I just feel like it's just more extra steps than if I would just fill my eyebrows on my own with the brow definer, then, you know, just call it a day and, you know, call it even. So I don't know guys, I'm kind of 50-50 on it. My heart is kind of like for me personally, since I do have sparse brows, I don't recommend it. Like I said, but just because it's a little bit too wet, and I think that if it was a more like just a tiny bit like a little bit of a creamy consistency, I think it probably would work better. Maybe eventually they will maybe tweak the formula on this and make it maybe like that, but for right now, I think it's just, for what it is right now, I don't think it's really gonna work for my brows. And that's okay. Like I said, not all products are gonna work for everyone, and that's fine. Everyone's entitled to their opinion. So those are my final thoughts on the new Dip Brow Gel by Anastasia. I will give it a few more tries, and if I'm not liking it, I probably will return it and maybe get like another brow definer, because I'm almost actually out of that. Leave me in the comments down below if you've tried this product yet. Has this product, you know, caught your eye? So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys.